Take your baby, honey. Okay. Oops, don't roll over your baby. That's what Mommy's trying not to do that. You want, there you go. You want the juice cup? Or do you want the blanket? Gentle, honey, nice. Nice with the, oh, nice with Strider, yeah. Nice with the baby, too. You have to be gentle. Nice. Oh. Don't suffocate the baby. And give the baby some milk. Honey, what are you giving the baby? What's that?
Milk.
Yeah, milk. Is that juice? Yeah. Yeah. Want to say bye-bye again? Say bye-bye.
Baba. Baba. Baba.
Yeah, okay. Say bye-bye.